Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Clearco, which is the best Clearco funding option for non-dilutive capital. From my experience, when you're looking for non-dilutive capital, meaning funding where you don't give up equity, Clearco's core offering, their revenue-based financing, RBF, is hands down the best option. They've built their whole platform around this concept, specifically for e-commerce, SaaS, and mobile app businesses that have consistent monthly revenue. How Clearco's RBF works. Clearco's RBF is essentially a cash advance against your future sales. It's not a loan in the traditional sense, and it's certainly not equity. The funding. You get a lump sum of capital, typically ranging from a few thousand to several $1,000,000, which you can use for things like marketing, inventory, or operational expenses. The fee. In exchange for the capital, you agree to pay a flat fee, usually a single-digit to low double-digit percentage of the advance. Crucially, there is no interest and no compounding. You know the total cost up front. The repayment. This is where the revenue-based part comes in. Clearco automatically takes a predetermined percentage of your daily or weekly revenue until the original advance plus the fixed fee is paid back. If you have a slow sales month, your payment is lower. If you have a great month, you pay it off faster and unlock more capacity sooner. This flexibility is a huge advantage over fixed payment loans. Why this is the best non-dilutive choice. Speed and simplicity. The process is data-driven. You connect your sales and bank accounts, and their algorithm analyzes your performance to give you a funding offer, often within 24 hours. Compared to the months-long process of securing a bank loan or venture debt, this speed is a massive competitive edge. No personal guarantees or collateral. Unlike many bank loans, Clearco doesn't require a personal guarantee or a lien on all your business assets. This reduces your personal risk. No dilution. As a founder, maintaining ownership is critical. The RBF model allows you to fuel hypergrowth without giving up a piece of your company, which keeps your future exit value higher. If your business is an e-commerce and you're funding things like inventory or advertising, Clearco's RBF, sometimes called Clear Capital or a cash advance, is typically the most direct fit. For SaaS companies with predictable subscription revenue, they often offer a slightly different structure that helps fund your operating runway, but the non-dilutive, revenue-linked principle remains the same. In short, Clearco's revenue-based model is the quintessential answer for fast, flexible, and truly non-dilutive growth capital. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.